Shalom Alechem, and welcome to day 4 of the Hitbodedut challenge with the House of Lev. I am Rabbi Yecheskel Yosef Abulafia. I'm so honored to be able to speak about Hitbodedut because it's one of my most favorite meditative practices in Judaism. And I would say it's the most ancient. King David, no matter what was going on in his life, if it was happy or sad, if he was running away, from death, from danger, or if he was celebrating in front of the Ark of the Covenant, he was always praising Hashem. He was always speaking to him in his own words, and I think it's one of the most important things that we need to do as the Jewish people. You know, Hitbodedut means to seclude yourself. So if you have the opportunity to go out to nature like I do, it's the best. It puts you in the zone. No one's out here. You could be yourself. You could frolic around. You could bring out your inner child. It's fantastic. If you don't have that capacity or the ability to go into nature, maybe you're in the city, maybe it's just like really raining out or it's too cold, just go into a quiet room, or sometimes I sit in my car, wherever you could just be by yourself with the creator of the universe and talk to him as you're a child talking to a parent. And not everyone has the best relationship with their parents. That's okay. Don't let that get in the way between you and God. You could speak to him as your lover. You could speak to him as your best friend. It's just really comes down to you being yourself in your unique way, how Hashem created you. And he wants you to just express yourself. If you have anything heavy on your heart, let it out. Don't hold it in. If you have hope and desires and you want to set goals and manifest, tell him everything that you want to manifest. Tell him your deepest desires. Hashem wants to give you everything. He wants to give you the world. But he needs to hear it from you. Obviously, he knows everything. He understands. He gives you thoughts. He knows those thoughts. But he gave you the power of speech. Just like him. He said, "Let there be light," and there was light. It's the same way. We were created in God's image. So we were given this ability to verbalize and to create this frequency and create reality. So I challenge you today. It's 30 minutes. No matter, even if your words get all mixed up or you don't know what else to say, it's okay. Rabbi Nachman says, even if you don't have anything to say to Hashem, and you just keep on saying, "Master the world, master the world, master the world," it's so precious in Hashem's eyes. So try your best. Some days I go out into nature and I'm so heartbroken and I don't know. I have no idea what to say, what to ask for. I'm just saying, "Hashem, Hashem, I love you, Hashem, thank you, Hashem." And then there are days where I'm just like overflowing and I pass that 30-minute mark, That's the goal. That's the goal. No matter rain or shine, show up, do your best, connect to him, and don't hold back. Just be yourself. Dance, sing, do whatever you need to do to connect to the King. Sometimes if you need a little help, music helps, for sure. I put on a little instrumental beat in the background. Maybe I rap to him or I do a little reggae in my own words. It's like making my own Tehillim. I highly, highly recommend it. It's incredible. And it's another way, it's another technique to be able to sing to the King, to express yourself in the ways you need to express yourself. If you need even more help, take a sefer, take a book, and read one line, and then talk to Hashem about it. He could be your charuta. He could literally do whatever you want to do. It's between you and him. It's your own intimate time. And just as we, God willing, you're married, or if not now, you will be. You'll find your zivug. and your soulmate. But you'll see when you get married, you need to set times, just you and your wife, right? You can't just be with your family all the time. It's great to have breakfast, lunch, and dinner with the kids, with the family, but you and Hashem, you're Hashem's wife. We married Hashem at Mount Sinai. The Torah is our wedding contract. So we need our own intimate time with him to be able to just be ourselves, have that therapy. It's so healing. It's free. And Hashem wants to hear from you. That it's his main desire. He loves you so much. Obviously, he knows what's going on in your life. He's the one who's doing all these things to you. Sometimes it can be challenging. It's just to help you grow and to cleanse you from the past sins, either in this life or in the past lives. And he wants to help you. He wants to he gave you the tools that you need. He's just there waiting to hear from you. So talk to him just like you were as a child, simple and pure. And may you have a beautiful, beautiful session. God bless. And join my community. It's for free. If you want meditations and affirmations at nas.io/Abulafia meditation. And have a beautiful Hitbodedut session. Take care, guys.